it's not just Akhilesh Yadav. After the SP chief stirred a controversy, the Congress party's Udit Raj has also now waded in, saying if the BJP remains in power, India will disintegrate. That's the shocker coming in from the Congress party. In fact, Udit Raj has taken to social media and he says, after many days of deliberation, I've concluded that if the BJP remains in power until 2047, India will either be enslaved again or disintegrate. In 2014, they promised to win the elections and said, give us 60 months and we'll achieve what the Congress couldn't do in 60 years. Given the pace of decline since then, with the speed at which the decline has come, it's not hard to guess what will happen by 2047. So this is what Udit Raj has gone on to say. It's a post in Hindi translated, and he goes on to say that if the BJP remains in power until 2047, India will become enslaved again or break apart completely. Now, that is the fear-mongering that has come in from the Congress party. This comes amid Akhilesh Yadav going on to say that the Prime Minister may not even be alive until 2047 to see the completion of that vision. Adding to that, Udit Raj now wading in, senior leader of the Congress party, going on to say that Bharat could disintegrate if the BJP continues to remain in power. So such statements are being made by the opposition leaders. Unacceptable statements. Akhilesh Yadav first and then Udit Raj as well, going on to support him, coming out in his support, speaking against India. Now, remember, the BJP has often hit out at the opposition, saying in their hate for the BJP and in their hate for the Prime Minister, they have been speaking against the country. And first, it was Akhilesh Yadav who mocked the Prime Minister's goal, after which now Udit Raj has also waded in. The BJP has now responded to these statements, saying this is a new low in political discourse. Listen in.
Once again, Akhilesh Yadav ji, the language he has used for Prime Minister Modi. Nobody in political discourse uses this for even their worst enemies. They hate him so much that they sometimes say that Hitler ki maut marega, kabr khudegi Modi ki, mar ja Modi, and now they are wishing death upon